Hello everyone, this is Tanasri Zogle and you're watching Ganga Education. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, you will get information regarding law and competitive examination related to law. So subscribe my channel and hit on a bell icon so that you can get information regarding upcoming videos. This is part 2 of Civil Judge Junior Division and Judicial Magistrate of First Class Preliminary Examination held in 2014. We have already discussed question number 1 to question number 25 in previous video. The link is mentioned in description box. Please go through it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now in this video we will discuss from question number 26 to question number 50. Question number 26 has been removed from this question paper. Question number 27, hearsay evidence is option number 1, always admissible. Option number 2, not at all admissible. Option number 3, admissible in certain contingencies. Option number 4, none of the above. And the correct answer is option number 3, admissible in certain contingencies. Now question number 28, A saw B running away along with blood-shaded knife is option number 1, admissible as a direct evidence that B committed murder. Option number 2, admissible as an evidence of conduct against B. Option number 3, admissible as an evidence that B with knife is cashing the real murderer. Option number 4, inadmissible as hearsay evidence. And the correct answer is option number 2, admissible as an evidence of conduct against B. Question number 29. Raju sues Kiran for rupees 38,000. Entry in books of account of Raju amounts to option number 1, admission of liability. Option number 2, inadmissible. Option number 3, relevant. Option number 4, none of the above. And the correct answer is option number 3, relevant. Now question number 30. Court may presume abatement of suicide if married woman commits suicide within option number 1, 10 years of marriage. Option number 2, 3 years of marriage. Option number 3, 8 years of marriage. Option number 4, 7 years of marriage. And the correct answer is option number 4, 7 years of marriage. Now question number 31. The following property can be transferred. Option number 1, chance of heir apparent. Option number 2, easement. Option number 3, right to sue. Option number 4, land valuing less than 100 rupees. And the correct answer is option number 4, land valuing less than 100 rupees. Now question number 32. Raju transfers land to Praveen on a condition that Praveen shall marry with the consent of Usha and Pramila. Praveen is deemed to fulfill the condition when option number 1, Praveen asked for consent but both refused. Option number 2, Praveen asked for consent, Usha consented but Pramila refused. Option number 3, Pramila consented but Usha refused. Option number 4, Pramila died and Usha consented. And the correct answer is option number 4, Pramila died and Usha consented. Now question number 33. A lets B land at rent to rupees 500 and then transfer the land to C. B, not having notice of transfer, in good faith pays the rent to A. Then option number 1, B has to pay the rent to C. Option number 2, B has to pay rent to C and to A again. Option number 3, B denies the title of C. Option number 4, rent is not recoverable from B. And the correct answer is option number 4, rent is not recoverable from B. Now question number 34. Specific performance suit is pending between purchaser Sridhar and vendor Ganesh. Ganesh sold the property to Rajesh. this transaction is hit by the principle of option number 1 res judicata, option number 2 estoppel, option number 3 tam dupatta, option number 4 lease pendants, and the correct answer is option number 4 lease pendants. Now question number 35. Kaushik agreed to repay and transferred mortgaged land in favor of Vinayak. Vinayak assures to recovery land in case Kaushik repays the entire amount to Vinayak. This mortgage is called as option number 1 mortgage by deposit of title deeds, option number 2 usufructory mortgage, option number 3 anomalous mortgage, option number 4 English mortgage, and the correct answer is option number 4 English mortgage. Now question number 36. The right of the mortgagor who repays entire amount after the principal money has become due is called as right of option number 1 foreclosure, option number 2 redemption, option number 3 reconveyance, option number 4 none of the above, and the correct answer is option number 2 redemption. Now question number 37. Difference between charge and mortgage is that option number 1 charge is not transfer of interest whereas mortgage is transfer of interest, option number 2 charge is over movable property but mortgage is of immovable property, option number 3 charge is governed as per Sale of Goods Act but mortgage is governed as per the Transfer of Property Act, option number 4 mortgage is always for consideration but charge is not supported by consideration, and the correct answer is option number 1 charge is not transfer of interest whereas mortgage is transfer of interest. Question number 38. Lease of immovable property for manufacturing purpose is determinable by giving notice of option number 1 15 days, option number 2 1 month, option number 3 months, option number 4 6 months, and the correct answer is option number 4 6 months. Now question number 39. Pankaj gave his flat to Mukund and Mukund gave his flat to Pankaj. It is called as option number 1 settlement, option number 2 barter, option number 3 exchange, option number 4 none of the above, and the correct answer is option number 3 exchange. Now question number 40. The transfer of movable property is governed by which provision of Transfer of Property Act? Option number 1 barter, option number 2 exchange, option number 3 sale, option number 4 gift, and the correct answer is option number 4 gift. Question 41. Temporary injunction is granted, option number 1 during pendency of the suit, option number 2 at the conclusion of the trial, option number 3 is regulated by provisions of the Specific Relief Act, option number 4 none of the above, and the correct answer is option number 1 during pendency of the suit. Now question 42. If the suit for specific performance is dismissed, then option number 1 plaintiff can institute new suit for compensation, option number 2 plaintiff cannot file suit for recovery of possession, option number 3 can file new suit for specific performance, and option number 4 all are incorrect, and the correct answer is option number 4 all are incorrect. Now question number 43. After the trial of suit for specific performance has started, option number 1 amendment of plaint incorporating prayer for compensation cannot be allowed, option number 2 amendment of plaint incorporating prayer for compensation can be allowed, option number 3 separate suit for compensation has to be filed, option number 4 none of the above, and the correct answer is option number 2 amendment of plaint incorporating prayer for compensation can be allowed. Now question number 44. A. Not the owner of car agrees to sell the same to B. B fails to pay the amount. Suit for specific performance of agreement will be governed by option number 1, Motor Vehicle Act, option number 2, Sale of Goods Act, option number 3, Specific Relief Act, option number 4, Transfer of Property Act. And the correct answer is option number 3, Specific Relief Act. Now question number 45. What is the period of limitation for filing suit for recovery of possession of immovable property if there is dispossession not as per law? Option number 1, 3 years. Option number 2, 18 months. Option number 3, 2 years. And option number 4, 6 months. And the correct answer is option number 4, 6 months. Question 46. For construction of public hospital, option number 1, suit for specific performance can be filed. Option number 2, suit for specific performance cannot be filed. Option number 3, suit for mandatory injunction can be filed. Option number 4, none of the above. And the correct answer is option number 2, suit for specific performance cannot be filed. Question number 47. In a suit for specific performance of contract, option number 1, possession cannot be asked. Option number 2, partition cannot be claimed. Option number 3, compensation cannot be claimed. Option number 4, all are incorrect. And the correct answer is option number 4, all are incorrect. Now question number 48. Specific performance against transferor with notice of earlier transaction pending suit. Option number 1, can be granted. Option number 2, cannot be granted. Option number 3, new suit is required to be filed. Option number 4, none of the above. And the correct answer is option number 1, can be granted. Now question number 49. Suit for specific performance to construct theatre. Option number 1, can be decreed. Option number 2, cannot be decreed. Option number 3, compensation can be awarded. Option number 4, none of the above. And the correct answer is option number 1, can be decreed. Now question number 50. For the business of the firm, partner is option number 1, servant of the firm. Option number 2, owner of the firm. Option number 3, agent of the firm. Option number 4, trustee of the firm. And the correct answer is option number 3, agent of the firm. That's it for this video. We have discussed the question number 26 to question number 50. In next upcoming videos, we will discuss from question number 51 to question number 75. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit on a bell icon. Thank you for listening.